Hi, this is the Realme Narzo 60 and I'll show you how to hide apps on this device. So first open the settings application and then scroll to the privacy section, switch permissions to privacy and click to hide apps. Just to hide for example, the booking application, tap on the switcher and now we should set a privacy password. Click to the settings. We could use 6 digits password or to use a different password type. I'll use the pattern for example. Just let's draw it twice. Here we got the security questions. You should just select one from them and then just tap the right upper corner. Now we should set the access code with which we could just access to the hidden apps on our dial pad. So just tap to the settings. The access code should start with a hash key and to end also with a hash key. Tap to OK, click to done, and that's it. Now we could hide all of these applications for example. If you want to hide them, just click to the swatches also. How to find them on the dial pad? Open the phone, open dial pad, enter the hash key, password, hash key. And here we got all of our hidden applications. So just let's hide all of them. So by this way we could do this. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.